Alright, let me show you what part of my problems were, and this might save you some trouble if you try to do this. First off, these feet kept getting stuck on the lips of the stairs, and looking at it now, those things could come out, and that would save me some problem with this catching on those lips. This here sticks out a little bit, and so that would catch, but it wasn't too bad because it is kind of angled. You can see it's kind of angled, so it would ride up over them okay. And then I had this thing. This kept catching too, and looking at it, it also would unscrew and would have made my life a lot easier if I had taken that off. And then up front, there's some feet. Again, those look like they unscrew. One of them actually broke off. So again, taking those little feet off the bottom would have made this a lot easier. That, or even putting a piece of paneling. You notice I tried to put a board up there to help a little bit, but put a piece of paneling or something to make this thing just slide up the stairs like a ramp instead of a set of stairs. But at any rate, we got it up here, and now we can just lift from the back and let the rollers do the work and move this where we need to move it. Alright, so we got a bunch of just cheap ratchet straps. They're not come-alongs or anything. But at any rate, we got 4 of these hooked up here. And then I got another strap. This just, it's not a ratchet strap. But it's just there to make sure that if I loosen these, this can't slide back down. Or if these hooks pop off, it can't slide back down. So it's just a safety thing. And then up there I got an anchor point with another one of those, just a regular strap, not a ratchet strap, that's tied to that post, this post right here, and just a loop so that the hooks can hook into that right here. And then we're just going to ratchet this a little bit, and when the spools get full, I'll loosen them up. I'll tighten this down, take all the slack out. I'll probably do the red ones and the green ones alternately. So these red ones, you can see the spools are starting to get full. So I'll ratchet this up a little bit, and then take the red ones and loosen them, take all the slack out of them, and then start tightening those back up. And then when I got some pressure on them, I'll take the green ones, take all the strap off the spool and tighten that back up, and then do the green ones, and we'll just keep doing this till we get it to the top of the stairs. And I have to keep checking it because the bottom keeps getting caught on the wooden stairs. The edges on the bottom keep getting caught, so if I tighten it and this bar, it's not moving up, then I got to go check and find out where it's catching on the stairs, and get it uncaught so that I can keep ratcheting it up.